Federal agents say Glock switches are becoming more of a problem in the Mid-South. It's a small device that can make a handgun shoot like a machine gun. Our Lakita Johnson got a first-hand experience about the dangers of how dangerous a switch can be.
Up right there on one of the ranges, and let me tell you, it was very enlightening. We got a chance to speak with law enforcement agencies as well as shoot some of those weapons just to see exactly where they're coming from here, and making it known that safety is definitely a top priority. Now, fully automatic Glock switches are illegal to buy, to own, sell, distribute, all of that. And so, unfortunately, law enforcement agencies say that they've recovered these weapons from scenes all too frequently. U.S. Attorney Kevin Ritz says right now there are dozens of pending cases, and MPD says they took 5,000 illegally possessed guns off the streets just last year. Also, they say they find between 2 to 3 illegal guns per week. And on the federal side, if someone is caught with one of these automatic weapons, they can serve jail time without parole, and the consequences are steep. Take a listen.
Everyone using these weapons has a loved one, a parent, a friend, a spouse, a significant other that knows they have these weapons. These weapons have to be taken out of the hands of the people using them.
Also, as we were out there shooting ourselves, I had to ask the law enforcement, the officers, exactly what's the difference between the semi-automatic and the fully automatic. And as I was shooting, I saw the fully automatic. I wasn't able to control my aim. I didn't know exactly where these shots were going, and that's the issue out here. But for now in Memphis, I'm Lakita Johnson. Back to you.